Hello, this is Veronica Conway, and I'm here with the weather for New Jersey and Cherry Hill, what it looks like for Hurricane Sandy. So this is my backyard. As you can see, if you can see it, my pool has a lot of water in it. It's raining. Not a lot though, but a little bit at a time. And the trees are blowing just a little bit. The wind is getting to my pool and blowing the cover up, if you can see that. Kind of like that. Now the oak tree's really shaking and it slows down. Alright, thanks for watching this eyewitness video, and I'll be uploading a video every hour of the storm until the power goes out. Alright, see you the next hour.